Have you ever wondered how Google My Business works? Well, it's a free tool designed by Google to help businesses manage their online presence across the search engine. In this digital age, having an online footprint is not just an option, but an absolute necessity. Google My Business streamlines this process, making it easier for customers to find and engage with your business. So, you're probably thinking, that sounds great, but how does it actually work? Well, let's dive in. Getting started with Google My Business is easier than you might think. First things first, you'll need to create an account. Head over to the Google My Business homepage and click on the Manage Now button. If you already have a Google account, great! You can use that. If not, don't worry, it's quick and easy to set up a new one. Once you've logged in, it's time to verify your business. This is a crucial step as it confirms that your business is legitimate and that you're the rightful owner. Google will guide you through this process, which usually involves receiving a postcard at your business address with a verification code. All verified? Fantastic. Now it's time to add your business details. This includes your business name, address, opening hours, and the services you offer. Be as thorough as possible because this information helps potential customers find and understand your business. Speaking of customers, they'll likely leave reviews about their experiences with your business. These reviews are visible to everyone and can greatly influence the decisions of potential customers. It's important to manage these reviews by responding to them promptly and professionally, whether they're positive or negative. This shows that you value your customers' feedback and are committed to improving their experiences. It's as simple as that. But what are the benefits of using Google My Business, you ask? You're about to find out. Google My Business isn't just a tool, it's a game changer for businesses. Imagine an online platform that not only increases your business's visibility, but also improves local search engine optimization. That's the power of Google My Business. It's like having a digital storefront that's open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's a platform where your business can engage with customers directly, answer questions, respond to reviews, and interact with your audience in real time. It's about creating a dialogue and building relationships with your customers. But that's not all. Google My Business also provides valuable insights about your business. Understand how customers find you, what they're interested in, and how they interact with your online presence. It's about harnessing the power of data to make informed business decisions. So Google My Business isn't just about getting your business on the map, it's about getting it on the map and making it shine. Now that you know the basics of Google My Business, why not take it a step further? Imagine mastering this and other essential marketing tools with our comprehensive digital marketing course at CAD Nest. Unleash your potential and master digital marketing with us at CAD Nest. Sign up today.